All right, today we are diving into something I know you've been looking for: 5 AI video generators that are actually truly free. We're going to cut through all the noise and find the tools that will change how you create content without the watermarks, without the surprise limits, with absolutely no catches. And I know you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? It is so frustrating. You find a new AI tool, you get all excited, you sign up, you type in the perfect prompt, and bam, paywall. It is one of the most annoying things for a creator, and it's the exact problem we are solving today. So, this isn't just some list I threw together. I've spent the last few weeks, literally weeks, testing over 100 different AI video generators to find the real deal. What we're about to go through are the true hidden gems, the golden nuggets that actually deliver on that promise of free AI video. So that's the big question, isn't it? Where are they? Well, they're out there. You just gotta know where to look. And often, they're not the most famous ones, which is what makes this so much fun. So let's do it. Let's dig in. Okay, so before we jump into the good stuff, we've got to quickly talk about this whole freemium myth. Understanding the problem is really going to highlight why the tools we're about to look at are so special. All right, enough about the problem. Let's get to the solutions. And we're kicking things off with 3 options that are, well, they're pretty surprising. You might not have heard of them, but you're definitely going to want to try them. First up, at number 5, we've got a tool called Gemini Gen, and honestly, this one was a real shocker. Now, just to be clear, this isn't an official Google thing. It's a third-party app that cleverly lets you tap into some seriously powerful models, like Veo and Grok, for free. And the video quality? It's surprisingly good, especially for a freebie. Okay, listen up, because this next part is super important. This is the secret sauce right here. To get that sweet, unlimited access, you have to follow these steps exactly. After you sign up, make sure you hit free models only. Then, and this is the real trick, set your resolution down to 480p and the duration to 6 seconds. You'll see the cost literally drop to 0 credits. That's it. That's the key to unlimited generations. So, what's the verdict? For cranking out these short, beautiful little clips with audio and no watermark, this thing is an absolute beast. Yeah, you're stuck with 6-second, 480p clips, so you'll have to be a bit of a video editor and stitch them together. But hey, for something that's totally free, I gotta give it a 10 out of 10. It's a must-have in your toolkit. All right, coming in hot at number 4 is Hunjun AI. Now, this tool is on a whole other level, but there's a catch. The whole website is in Chinese, which can be a little tricky, but don't worry, I've got a killer little trick for that. But before I show you the trick, you have to see what this thing is capable of. The physical accuracy, the way it keeps scenes consistent, the natural cinematic shots, it's just mind-blowing. I mean, look at this. The videos are so dang realistic, it's hard to wrap your head around the fact that an AI made them. It's even got a whole separate model just for adding sound effects. So, about that language barrier, the fix is actually ridiculously simple, just like you see here. Once you're logged in, you just take a screenshot, pop over to Google Translate, hit the image tab, and upload it. It'll translate the entire interface for you. It's a simple, brilliant workaround that makes this powerhouse tool totally usable for anyone. I mean, you just can't argue with the quality here. It's professional grade, no question. The big pro? That insane cinematic quality. The con? Well, obviously the whole navigation thing is a bit of a pain, and for that reason, I'm docking it a couple of points. An 8 out of 10. It's an incredible tool for high-end stuff, but it's not quite a perfect score because of the hassle. Okay, tool number 3 is Z.AI, and we're shifting gears a little bit here. This isn't about making those little cinematic clips. No, this tool is all about creating entire AI-powered slideshow videos from just a single topic. It's perfect if you're making educational content, biographies, that sort of thing. This is a massive shortcut for anyone with an educational or documentary-style channel. Think about it. You just feed it a topic, and it becomes your researcher, your slide designer, your image finder, and even your voiceover artist, all rolled into one. It does all the heavy lifting for you. Look, for what it does, Ziza AI is absolutely fantastic. It saves a ton of work, and the final product looks really polished. I'm giving it a solid 8 out of 10, especially since it looks like they're about to drop a full text-to-video generator. This is a total game changer for anyone making those kinds of explainer or presentation-style videos. Okay, those were some incredible hidden gems, right? But now we get to the big guns, the top 2. These are hands down the best free AI video generators out there right now. And at number 2, we have Qwen AI. What I love about this tool is how simple and honest it is. It's truly free, it's truly unlimited, there are no sneaky charges, no paywalls, no gotchas, and it's super easy to use on your computer or even just on your phone. And using it couldn't be easier. Seriously, you just start a new chat, type in your prompt, and it'll spit out a really high-quality image. Then, right underneath that image, a little button pops up that says Generate Video. You click that, and boom, that's it. It animates the image and even adds audio. Done. You know, I've been using this tool for about a year now, and the improvements they've made are just incredible. It does exactly what we've been looking for this whole time. Free, unlimited video, no strings attached. For that, it's a perfect 10 out of 10. It's the ideal tool to get started with. And here we are, the number 1 spot. Brace yourselves, because the quality you're about to see is gonna blow your mind. It's called Comfy UI. This is an open-source powerhouse that gets you terrifyingly close to realism and gives you pretty much complete control over everything. So here's the deal with Comfy UI. You've got 2 main ways to use it. You can install the Windows version right on your own computer. That's free forever, 0 limits. Or you can use the cloud version. That one runs on a credit system, but it has a really generous free tier to get you started. The choice is totally yours. So why is this number 1? It all comes down to pure power and variety. The magic here is that you get access to this huge library of different models, like Grok for realism or LTX for more stylized animation. That means you're not locked into one single style. You can literally pick the engine that fits your vision. It's not just a tool, it's a full-on production suite. Undeniable? 10 out of 10. And there you have it, folks. We've gone through 5 incredible, genuinely free tools. But this isn't just a list. This is your new creator toolkit. Everything you need to start making incredible content today for free. So really, what are you waiting for? So let's do a super quick rundown one more time. We've got Gemini Gen for those endless short clips, Human AI for that Hollywood-level cinematic look, Zzi to automate your slideshow videos, Qwen AI for dead simple, unlimited creation, and of course, the king, Comfy UI for total control. That's it. That's your starter pack. And I really want this to sink in. Think about it. Platforms like YouTube are the new media giants. There is a massive, real opportunity right now to build something amazing. An automated channel, a faceless brand, whatever your dream is. And you can literally start with 0 budget. Don't miss out on this. Look, the barrier to entry has completely vanished. It's gone. The tools are here. They are free. The excuses are gone. So there's really only